If you're thinking about buying the Chemical Guys Orange Degreaser Signature Series, I have some important information on this product you need to know before purchasing it. This is a small series I will be doing over various products I use in my restorations. If you haven't watched my videos, please go check them out. Link in the upper right hand corner. I use this specific product on my current restoration series. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on how it did for me. First, make sure you like this video and hit the subscribe button and the bell. Let me know in the comments how you think the product will perform. I came across this product one day on Amazon and decided, why not? When I purchased this product, it was available to me as a Prime member for $10.99 USD. I've since then bought 2 more of their products. If you would like the reviews on those products, I would be more than willing to do them. In part 8 of my restoration series, I was in need of some degreasing, so I grabbed the degreaser and went to work. I didn't use it according to the directions correctly. I used the impact driver and a brush attachment and went to town. After applying it pretty liberally, I took rags and wiped it clean. The directions said rinse with water, but I was definitely not spraying water on this. After wiping it all clean, I couldn't believe how clean it was compared to before. With little to no elbow grease, it was as clean as a 60-year-old rust-packed machine could get. So what are my thoughts on this product? After using this product pretty extensively on my restoration, I'd have to say this product is well worth the $10.99 I spent on it. The bottle, in my opinion, it comes in is very high quality. About as high quality as a plastic bottle can get at least. The directions are very straightforward to read. The warnings aren't like reading the fine print on a contract. The label and design is very pleasing to the eyes. They did a great job of telling you how to dilute the product for different applications. It might even do better for other people as well. If you want to buy this product for yourself, there is a link in my description for this product. Thanks for watching this review video. If you would like more review videos for products that I use, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed this video, check out my regular restoration and project videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to help support my channel.